You guys can see we're on the current coin market cap, and the market cap is doing phenomenal. We have a Bitcoin dominance of 56.6% with a 24-hour volume at $82.8 billion. We see a market cap at $250 billion as well. So volume is up, market cap is up about $10 billion. You can see as I scroll down, top 10 cryptos are all doing phenomenal. Coins in double digits. You know, today is a day to take profits, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean by that. So in yesterday's video, or 2 days ago, I said about $83.70 was the price to sell Litecoin at, and now it's currently $94.75. So you would have been up at, or to buy Litecoin at. So you're currently up around $10 to $11 per coin with Litecoin, which is awesome. So I did, and I will be showing you guys the trade that I did make with Litecoin and how much that did profit off of. So that's absolutely awesome. You can see, though, they are all up double digits. It's phenomenal. Highly recommend you do take some profits or sell off, and we'll reposition ourselves. You can see that I am on eToro, which will be the first link in the description if you guys do want to download our virtual simulated cryptocurrency platform. This way you guys can implement and test out all of my methods to cryptocurrency and making money without any risk. I mean, to me, that sounds awesome. You know, being able to test out crypto without actually buying crypto and making sure, you know, that the methods I teach are actually practical is something I would be pretty, you know, interested in. So I want to just show you guys the portfolio really quick. You can see as this loads, we bought Litecoin at $86.16. Now eToro has a slight delay. I did say to buy at $84, but it was registered at $86 on eToro. And you can see we bought 116 units. That is around $10,000 at the time. And the candle closed at 94.15 within the next, I believe, 2 days. So we bought it at 86.16. We sold it at 94.15, giving us a $927 profit on 10 grand. You know, you got to have money to make money, but you know, if this was $1,000, you would have made $92, almost $100. So with $10,000, you would have made almost $1,000, which is insane. So far with all of our trades, you can see the ones previously, Cardano and the other Litecoins, we started our, you know, portfolio at 100 grand, and we are currently at $102,847. I apologize. I've been so busy today, as you guys will see later on as to why. But there are some big things coming to the channel, and I'm super pumped to, you know, announce it. It's going to be pretty freaking awesome. I hope you guys are excited for that. Otherwise, as you can see, moving on to, you know, Coinbase, the Bitcoin to... Or sorry, I wanted to move on to the Litecoin one. There we go. The Litecoin US dollar Coinbase account. You can see a couple of things are happening. So yesterday we were anticipating this retracement. In the past 3 days, we've been consolidating down. And I said the second we touch our bottom support is a buy opportunity. So as you guys said, if you guys have me on Patreon, I said at $84 or $83.70 was an awesome time to be purchasing your Litecoin, and I recommend the virtual trading platform as what I say by Litecoin. I'm no financial advisor, but I do say, implement it on the virtual trading platform. This way, you can test it for yourself. So we bought in at 83.70, and then we sold it up. We bought at the bottom where the support was, where consolidation was, and a low risk, more conservative approach, and we're riding this puppy right up to the top here. Now, we did make a pretty crap ton of money, $1,000 off of Litecoin, which is absolutely awesome in just literally a day, which is fantastic and phenomenal. So one thing to note, though, is we are nearing not only a resistance up at $97, but we also have our, top resistance, our ascending resistance, which is retracing the market and pulling the market back down, which is something we have to take account of. We have to take note that there are two resistances here, so I really cannot see Litecoin today, potentially tomorrow, blasting off past $100. It just doesn't seem likely. And the other thing to take into account is the fact that Bitcoin is also blasting off, very similar to Litecoin, but Bitcoin, which we know is the godfather of cryptocurrencies, is nearing an overbought market. You can see we're on the RSI, we're trading right at 70 or 71, and we're about to enter overbought, which is an indicator that resistance needs to come back down. As you guys know, I do not like to buy in an overbought market. It doesn't make sense. Why buy overbought when you can buy oversold? Answer me that. So what that means is I'm waiting for consolidation. So to see Bitcoin being overbought indicates that Litecoin is necessarily overbought, and they both need to consolidate and pull back down. So I'm waiting for a retracement, I'm waiting for a pullback, I'm waiting for consolidation back down or sideways before I reinvest my money. So I did sell off. We made about $1,000 off our previous trade, which is fantastic. Otherwise, guys, I highly recommend you check out my Patreon. It is the second link in the description. That community is growing absolutely phenomenal. We're over 50, I believe, patrons. We're now at 52 or 53 patrons, and I highly recommend checking it out. It's an awesome platform. It's the only way to gain exclusive content and exclusive charts for basically being able to trade crypto. It's a way to get tutoring, a one-on-one conversation with me, a little more in depth than just in the comments down below, and I highly recommend checking it out. It's helped a ton of people in the past. It's an awesome community that we're growing that is dedicated to crypto beginners and novices who are really interested in making money in crypto. So I highly recommend you check it out. Check it out. It's pretty awesome. We have a bunch of cool people involved in that. It is the second link in the description, and it does help support the channel. But otherwise, guys, moving on to Bitcoin. So you can see consolidation. There is a resistance at $7,800. A potential pullback is necessary, and that also goes for Ethereum. Ethereum now is in a channel with $230 as a support and $275 as a resistance. Consolidation is needed. You can see we do have an uptrend right here, quite a bit of ways, but we should see consolidation within this channel right here. I wouldn't be too surprised if we saw tomorrow we pulled back down to around 230, 235. You'll also notice we are entering overbought. It's the highest out of the top three blue chips that are in the overbought market. So consolidation is necessarily needed for this coin. And then lastly, basic attention token. One coin that I have, been saying is within a channel that needs to consolidate and pull back down, but I did not notice that there was an uptrend on this coin. We started the uptrend back in February of 2019, and you can see we have 1, 2, and now 3 confirmations of support. So this is a coin that is on my radar, guys, and I honestly may be buying into basic attention token too, because this does seem like a pretty big opportunity. Why? Not only did every time we touch this bottom support, this this ascending support. Why does my hair look so weird? Jesus. Okay, that looks better. So the fact that every time we touch this bottom support, wow, that looks so bad. We moved up, we moved higher, and we've touched it one time. Here we moved up, we touched it a second time, we moved up. We're now retesting it a third time. And the fact that we are very low in the RSI, trading at, I believe it is 39 on the RSI is beautiful. We just pulled back down. This is a bottom support to retest. I am more than likely assuming that in the next week, we should see the coin move right back up, retest here. And if things look good, an easy pop to the upside. Definitely a move back up here. So you can sell off at this line up here. This is definitely a big resistance, but if things trade well, you can sell off, take profits here, and buy back in if we do break out above here. this coin looks really good. It really does. You know, this uptrend is holding out very firm. You know, this may be a potential move to the downside. I don't think the coin is going to break bearish, though. I really don't think this is possible. I mean, sorry, I think it is possible. I don't think it is likely. But for the most part, this is definitely a 100% buy. I think that's going to move up there, and then potentially we could break out to the upside. But otherwise, guys, that's going to sum up the technical analysis portion for today's episode. Definitely make sure to stick around. I will be showing you guys right in about a minute or so the rest of what I did today and why this video is coming out a little late, and the partnership that I'm having, a little sneak peek as to what's to come for the rest of the week or some point this week. It's going to be pretty awesome. Otherwise, guys, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, give away at 10,000 subscribers. And if you guys are interested in learning and making money on cryptocurrency and want a better one-on-one connection, make sure to check out Patreon, second link in the description, and enjoy the rest of the video. Peace. What's going on, Crypto TV? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. Right before we jump into the technical analysis and things like that, I do want to make an announcement. I am going to be working at an exotic car rental company over the summer, and these cars can actually be rented with crypto, with Bitcoin, with Litecoin. We are in the area. I'll be posting more about this later on the channel, but I just wanted to show you guys all the cars that we're having at the event. A lot of these are privately owned cars, but in the showroom are all the cars that can be rented with Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So I have been a little bit busy over the weekend, but with good reason. I'll definitely update you guys more. They're actually fairly inexpensive to rent for the day or for half a day or for a couple days. We've actually had a couple of people already rent them, so it's pretty awesome. Highly recommend you check it out. I'll be posting more, but otherwise check out the rest of the event.